We are gonna do our, okay, so we're gonna answer the questions. We have about 5 that we probably have enough time for. Cheers, Daddy. We're gonna start with Meg. Wait, no.
Martina C.
We need to start all this over. Okay, we're gonna start with Mech78, Martina C. What do you feel is the most important thing to keep a relationship lasting? Eric, I'm gonna ask you this question.
I think it's communication, hands down.
I agree.
Obviously, love is the foundation, but once you start getting responsibilities that you guys know, children, careers, life, if you don't communicate, all hell will break loose.
Yes. Okay. Next question.
Let me ask you.
Okay.
Next question. All right. This is from April M. How did your relationship grow/change once y'all had kids? What are the pros and cons?
I feel like it has grown in a stronger, better way. Our relationship was already awesome and great, but I do feel like it got even better because having kids is such a huge milestone. It's like, baby Ann. Baby. What was the question again?
How's our relationship changed since you've had kids?
I feel like our relationship has gotten better and it's gotten more fun. I feel like our relationship has gotten even better and even more fun together. And
Yes.
I don't know, just stronger. I mean, you create 3 humans together, it's bound to happen, and they're amazing kids, and of course we always, there's those moments where it gets hard because all 3 of them might be whiny or crying or tired or something, but I think we just...
Yeah, I think the appreciation is deeper, so like the relationship's deeper for that sense that it's not like physical attraction or cool, we can hang out. It's like we appreciate each other a lot more because we have to raise some gremlins.
Yes. Okay. Next question.
Next question.
Okay. Do you guys speak the same love language, or have you had each other, or have you had to learn one another's? This comes from Kenley Coco.
Great question.
It is a great question. And you know what? I feel like for the most part we spoke each other's love language, which is why I think we were attracted to each other besides physical attraction. But I think we did have to learn each other's love language even more so over time because I'm a talker, and so I can vocalize how I feel and my emotions. Eric is not like that. He's a shower. What's wrong? He's like a shower, and so he's a shower and he's a doer. You're an acts of service person.
Yes.
So you'll do things like wash my car for me or make the coffee in the morning, really sweet things. I am a talker, so I'll tell him he's beautiful and handsome and talented and smart and the best at everything, and I do acts of service too. Like I'll wait on you and bring you meals and a beer and a nice ice cold thing once in a while. But we had to learn each other's love language because one of the issues I had in the very beginning was he was never vocal about how he felt, but I learned that I don't need that anymore because he shows me so much in a physical way and through his actions that he doesn't have to say it all the time with his words.
But we also have different love languages, though, where
Yes.
yours is you want to be you are good at your love language as far as telling me great things, which
But
I
what
love.
we want from each other.
Right. So I'm saying, but I don't need that as much as the acts of service.
Yes, you want acts of service and you want physical touch. He loves to be touched.